Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix could not find the recovery environment in Windows. So basically this error occurred due to the recovery partition is missing or disabled or corrupted. This is the major issue for this error. So here I'm gonna show how to fix this issue. First of all, we need to check whether we had a recovery partition or not. Later we can check whether it's enabled or disabled. So first we gonna check whether we had a recovery partition or not. So for that you need to search disk management, or you can search as create and format hard disk partition and open that, and here it shows like we had a recovery partition, but we need to check whether it's enabled or disabled. Usually this error occurs due to the partition is disabled, so let us check that. To check, you need to enter into the command prompt, search cmd or command prompt in Windows, and open as run as administrator. First we need to check whether it's disabled or enabled. So for that you need to type reagent c space /info. Here it shows it's disabled, so we are going to enable that. For that we need to type as reagent c space /enable. It will take some time, have some patience to wait on it. Yeah, now it's enabled, it shows operation successful. So now we're going to check that recovery. Enter into your settings, system, and then recovery. It shows two options. I'm going to press keep my file. Yeah, now the issue solved. Yeah, here what we are going to see is, first we need to create the recovery drive. After that you need to enable it, and the issue will be solved. If in case you had accidentally deleted your backup drive in Windows 11, you need to get help from recovery drive back. So there is no other option in order to get this recovery drive back, and for that you can just check while purchase the computer. Probably you have created any kind of Windows 11 backup, or you may have got from the manufacturer, and if not, then finally you will have to go and format the computer fully. So it's always recommended you to create the backup drive. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.